Hello and welcome to another video. Walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at Toyota Yaris LE convenience package. This is a 5-passenger hatchback in absolutely red, and under the hood you'll find a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder driving on 15-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your sporty black grille that complements the stunning red paint, and also we got that backup camera in the back. But now why don't we hop inside this Yaris and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button. We're going to press the unlock button once to the driver's side. I'm going to take a look in the front first. On the bottom you have some storage space, and above it you'll find your power windows and locks. Next to the door you will find your power mirrors. Underneath you have your Toyota Safety Sense features. That does include lane departure alert. This Yaris does come equipped with all-weather mats and light gray and black seating. On the bottom you will find your manual seating adjustment handles. Now let's hop inside. We're going to start this Yaris up. First things first is the left side of the steering wheel. You got this cluster of arrows here, and this will just allow you to navigate through your entertainment display located in the center there. You also have your volume options to the left of that. On the right, you have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system, and behind the wheel, you do have your cruise control. Moving on to our entertainment display. Right now, we are on radio. If we go audio, that'll take you to your sources. You have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between CD, USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth. This Yaris does have a backup camera, giving you those nice guidelines as well. Down below is your climate control system, nice and simple. You got these nice sturdy turning dials. Below you will find your 12-volt outlet and your USB auxiliary ports. You got some storage compartments and 2 cup holders. Behind the shifter you do have your driver and passenger heated seats. And lastly is the passenger side. You have this nice little shelf up top. If we open the glove box, drops down for you, plenty of space. Let's close that up. Before we hop in the cargo, let's take a quick look in the back. Of course, we are continuing with the all-weather mats. Behind the front passenger seat, you do have a little pocket for some extra storage. There's some storage space back there for those rear passengers, and these seats do fold down. All we got to do is press this up, and that'll give you access to your cargo. To open up, all we got to do is press this button right under the Toyota emblem there. Opens up for us, nice and easy. There's plenty of cargo space in this hatchback. Of course, like I mentioned, the folding seats go down. That'll give you some extra bit of space. Lastly, if we take a look underneath, you will find a spare tire and the tools to change that in case that ever goes out on you. Up, you got this nice little convenient handle up top. Just give that a gentle push. Taking a last look at our Toyota Yaris LE with the convenience package. Once again, some of those great interior features are your heated seats, Bluetooth compatibility, and hands-free calling. There's a whole lot more I still didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here, Toyota Northwest Edmonton, on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Amber Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.